Harndos VA. There's my partially frozen air conditioner. This is all I've shoveled out so far. That's the measuring stick. It says about 26 or 7 inches so far. Can't really get much beyond this right now. Venture out later. I'm just trying to get a video I can test upload onto YouTube. It'll be my first YouTube video. The way the snow piles up on the fences over there. Pretty neat. Tree branches are all flattened. God damn. That's pretty bad right there. Hollies. I'm gonna have to get out there and shovel some of that off, broom it off. Alright, that's video number 1.